All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us this Battling Top Metal Fusion gift box. This is, think of like Beyblades, basically what this is. Let's open it up. Nothing on the box. So, inside of here, you have everything you'll need. So, you've got a couple of the little Beyblade-like toys. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now, I'll show you what these kind of look like. Little metal toys. And even some stickers to put on here. I don't know what this part's for, but it seems to be a part of it. Each one has one of those. But nice quality. These seem to be like real metal. Don't feel like they'd break easy or anything like that. Those, I believe, are the spinners. Wind these around. That's what makes them spin. There's one of the like strings. You pull that, and that's what makes them go into the arena to battle. And then, of course, lastly, these are needed to make them come out. And then the little arena. And that's, of course, it for the box. So, you'll be able to take one, put it all in here, and then they battle inside of this. Thanks again to this company for sending this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.